Morph Transition. Now, let's try applying the Morph Transition. The Morph Transition adds a smooth movement and animation effect between any two slides. To begin with, select the object and click Morph. Next, you need to copy and paste this object into the next slide and then change the position of the object. Choose the Morph Transition after selecting the object. From the Effect options, choose the type of Morph Transition. You can apply this transition to the slides to create the appearance of movement for all the elements like texts, shapes, smart art graphics, pictures, and word art. So how will you set up the Morph Transition exactly? You will require two slides with at least one element in common to use the Morph Transition. The easiest way is to duplicate the slide and move the element on the next slide to another place or position. Then, apply the Transition Morph to the second slide. This will automatically animate and move your object. From the thumbnail pane on the left-hand side, select the slide that you want to apply the transition to. This slide should be the second slide that is duplicated and in which you have added an object, picture, or text. These are the elements you want to apply the Morph Transition to. From the Transitions tab, click Morph. From the same tab, go to the Effects options and choose how you would like the Morph Transition to work for you. To create good animation, you can move the objects around the slide, change colors, move text, move characters around, and so on. Click the Preview button to see the Morph Transition in action. You can also begin the slideshow from the Slideshow tab.